Hi, it's Ronnie and welcome to my channel. And this is my leftovers from my kit. I think I got 6 layouts done from the kit. I used 1 or 2 of these, a few of those, and I did pull out another one and use it because I didn't have enough black here, but I put it back. I didn't actually put it in the kit. But I still have plenty left. I made 1 title with this. And I did pull in other letters that I used, which I'm going to carry this over because I do have plenty left. And I do have plenty pictures left. I borrowed some from here. And this is how I chose my colors, which they were pretty true. For my cardstock, they match this really well. I've used several of these. I do have this one left. It fell off and got torn, but I know where the other half is. It's right there. I can pull it over here and show it to you. But yeah, I used several of those. These are some scraps that I have. These are some scraps that I have. And that is another one. I have several sheets left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pattern sheets. So I got plenty to work with for the month, especially if I don't do any more than I did this month. And then I have some cardstock left. I never did touch the burnt orange or the navy, I don't think. No, but I did use some of the black. And I used some of them. I don't think I used any of those. And I lost one of these. I had 4. Now I have 3. I think it rolled away and I didn't find it. I didn't use none of this. And y'all know I wanted to use that, but I didn't. There was 3 of these and I used a couple of them. I used several wood veneers, and that was pretty good size, and that's all I've got left. I did pull in some other trims and use them this month, and I'm going to put them back in the kit. But I just wanted to show you what I actually used out of what I had to start with. And crochet thread, I did use some of that, but these are the layouts that I got done. I got this one done, and I used a couple of wood veneer on it and several of the stickers, and I used my die with the trees. And this one was a crossover. It's the How to Kill a Kit with Style plus Mixed Media Frenzy, and I embossed the footprints, and I used a title that I pulled out. I think it's Amy Tan. I thought it'd go really well on there. And I used another of the wood veneers, and here's that die and cut, and here's where I pulled these in. And I did use both of those. I had 2 of them in there and used both of them. And this is How to Kill a Kit with Style plus Punched Out Thursday, and I made the fish. And yeah, I think fish is all I made on here. Yep. And this one's Extreme Zipliners, and I brought in some burlap and made some hearts. And here I used the one of the wood buttons on there. And I believe this one was a crossover too, but I cannot remember for what. My mind is blank. But it has that gorgeous wood grain paper here. Oh, so pretty. And this was the last one I did, Rite of Passage, and it was for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club and the YouTube Layout Hop. Yeah, I used it for several things. And it had a tear down. I had it brought this up here and changed my mind and tore it all down. And these is the and more, as it said in the title, and more. I'm gonna go ahead and share what else I did. I think I did 22 layouts, I think. This is for the 25th of the month, Christmas in June. And I used Santa's Workshop, Echo Park. And this was a Saturday stash dive. And I used scraps for it. I just pulled out scraps that was in the summer iris container and just used scraps. Some were bigger than others. And some old stickers. I think these are really old Amy Tan. And dies for bubbles. And this one's for scrap 5, and you had 5 things to use on here. And I can't remember what all they are. I should have put a sticky note on here. I will do that next month. So I will be sure and know what all I put on here that was scrap 5. But yeah, I got everything on there though. I know that. I just can't remember what they were. Next are the Way Back When Wednesday. And this is They Grew Up Together. I still don't have my journaling on there. And this is the last one I did for Way Back When Wednesday. And Stitched with Love and the quilt pieces. And yeah, and then this one is Love Sweet Love, and I had won some stuff from the scrap room and I used it on here. Well, these were kind of leftovers from this. I did this one first with my winnings, and then I did this one second, and they were both from the scrap room winnings. And this is from Punched Out Thursday, and I already showed one, so I only have 3 left. And I used punches on them. And this one I did the hearts and the stitching on those. And I also used some winnings from the scrap room. This paper and stuff is winnings from the scrap room. And this one I made monkeys for Punched Out Thursday. That one's turned the wrong way. And this is Mixed Media Frenzy. And we use sketches on each one of these. And I already showed the one that was Mixed Media Frenzy, so there's only 3 left. And this one he had a tractor, so I kind of thought muddy dirt. Kind of went with the colors here, and then dirt. And this one had streaks, and so I put them on there. And these are the ones I don't have videos for yet. So you get a sneak peek is all, I guess. And these were both done during Secret Not Secret Kit Club, and so is this one. So if you're in the Secret Kit Club, you would have seen them. And then this one's not due till July 7th, and it's for the telephone hop. But I did all of them, so I think it's like 22 for the month. But that's it. That's my share, and I went ahead and shared for the whole month. And because I usually don't, and I thought I probably won't get back on here to do that. So hopefully I'll get more in 22. Last month I got 28. Felt pretty good. So I need to get 6 more this month. So I'll be caught up with last month, even though I won't be caught up with this. I'll be passing up this month. But yeah, but thank y'all so much for watching. Have a happy scrappy week, and everybody else that has a How to Kill a Kit with Style, I'll leave the links down there below so you can see what all they did this month. And I'm sure some of them had me beat. 6 is pretty easy to beat. But thank y'all for watching. Have a happy scrappy week. Bye.